And hello to my lovely viewers. We are continuing our stroll through the beautiful Inglewood Bird Sanctuary. Can definitely hear the birds. Kind of hard to spot. But it's just a matter of opportunity, keeping your eyes open. Definitely a warm one today. It's about plus 32. As I head more towards the Deerfoot side, you can hear more and more traffic. It's nice warm breeze. Excellent stroll. Skies are blue. Downtown a little hazy. Good views. It's nice. Peaceful. Sometimes you don't need a hike, but just a bit of a mental reset. Good stroll. Right in town. Where you can feel a little mental peace. And I love the different types of flora and fauna you see out in the summertime. Though it is open in the winter here. It's open all year. But I've long since said all the seasons are different beauties. Fall's a different beauty, winter's a different beauty. Summer's a different beauty. It's like you're getting away, but yet you're still in the heart of the city. Decent amount of water flow today. I feel a great sense of peace and tranquility as I stroll along the water. And as I keep going, see another lovely piece of infrastructure in the back, a bridge over the river. The architecture is lovely. And the sounds of the birds, quite peaceful. And there's a bit of a view of downtown poking through there. You can see some of the haze today. It's been somewhat smoky, but it's not all in the sky. Just around downtown. Breeze is picking up here. And we will head towards the bridge. Wow. Very artistic. What a lovely day. It's amazing we have such beautiful green spaces right here in the heart of our beautiful city. It's just a great day. I definitely love summer. Blind jam crossing. Hybrid structure, part river crossing, part flood defense mechanism, part log jam, part bird blend with surrounding habitat. Wow. It's a functional infrastructure and public art created as part of the Inglewood Bird Sanctuary Reconnection Project, revitalize habits for fish, birds, and other wildlife, strengthen flood resilience, and address damage from past erosion. Helps protect the lagoon and park, and pays homage to the area's sawmill history. Large logs are incorporated into the bridge and stacked around the crossing to reflect the past. There was a pool with a small island also constructed and provides the perfect opportunity to observe birds, beavers, fish, and other wildlife. They've worked with engineers, hydrologists, ecologists to help shape the new channel, prioritizing the sanctuary's wildlife. I had no idea there was this much history to this bridge. This is absolutely lovely. Beautiful piece of infrastructure. And multifunctional. Wow. We learn something new every day. And what an excellent view of downtown from here. You can see the iconic Calgary Tower off in the back. The water's quite calm on this side. And some people rafting down the river. Always lovely. There's a secret around every corner. Excellent. Lots to see, lots to learn. The beautiful Inglewood Bird Sanctuary.